Good evening, everybody, my students, my friends, my co-traders. Good evening. I want to make early analysis for next week trade. Today is Friday, 4th day of December 2020. My name is Samuel Okoyacha. Many people are keep asking me what next on Bitcoin. So I want to now tell you how to trade Bitcoin after a strong rally. This is a strong rally. This is a zoom chart. I will still show you where I zoomed out. So I labeled the chart completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the end. Then WXYXZ. This is the beginning of new cycle. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then ABC. Then 1, 2. So 3. After a big rally, what next on Bitcoin and other pairs? Now, this is where you will be very careful. After a big rally, those who don't know how to read their chart will think it will continue to go up. It doesn't work that way. So people will keep buying Bitcoin now, hoping it will continue going up. Of course, it will still go up, but it will retrace or at least pull back. You can see I'm expecting this type of movement to happen here, or this type to happen here, or this type of thing from here to here can happen here. I mean, expect some corrections, some patterns. We may have a running flat, irregular flat, expanding flat, or combined. So if you are trading Bitcoin on margin, you may consider selling, or you better keep until the correction is over. So after this big rally, we expect a correction. So let me go to zoom chart to see better. Okay, this is still daily chart. So I just zoom this chart for you to see better. So I'm expecting this is A, B, C. So as I said on my last video, we either have a running flat which will end before the start of A, or it will come down here which will be an expanding flat. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours gave us more details. See, in the case of running flat, we will have, this is A, this is B, the C will not come down to this area. Then it will be a running flat. But I doubt if you have a running flat. We might have some complex movement. We might see this price, we might see A, B, C, then another buy before we see 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down around 16,000 or even 14,500. So between 14,500 to 16,000 is where I expect Bitcoin to come down, but not just next week. It might be next year. I don't know, but all I know that this type of movement will happen, but not so soon. It takes time for correction to finish. So if you are buying Bitcoin, be careful. If you are selling, in fact, I prefer to sell Bitcoin now than to buy, because I know the next buy will take time to mature. So that's for 4 hours. Then 1 hour, there's nothing much in 1 hour. Nothing difference, no difference. Only that a kind of channel is forming on 1 hour. You can see this channel. The channel may support my forecast on 4 hours. You know, I told you we may have it may come down A, B, C and go up. So in 1 hour, it's giving us a channel, and the channel may just come here, you know, go up and continue going down. So I prefer to sell Bitcoin than to buy. And you can see this move. This looks like a flag, but not a perfect flag. And whenever we have a flag, the next will be continue selling. Okay, we move on. Euro USD. Euro USD. Where is my daily? I didn't put daily chart. Anyway, there's nothing new on daily chart on Euro USD. My last video, I explained that we will have wave 3 around here. So a pullback is about to happen. We might have a correction or a pullback. So what I'm saying is that Euro USD, I will not sell. I will watch for after the correction. I will join the buyers. We will likely see 1.2256. So this is where I expect Euro USD to at least to hit before I may consider selling. Right now, I'm looking for buy. When it comes here, I will see what's happening, whether I will sell or not. Okay, that's for 4 hours. Then 1 hour. 1 hour. By Monday, if we don't have a gap, as things look on Monday, when the market opens, we might have a gap. I mean, market can open and you see the price around here, but no problem. If it doesn't happen, I'll put a sell stop here. If price keep going doing this thing, I'll put a sell stop here, stop loss here, so that I will sell towards this very trend line before I buy. That is if I will consider selling. But right now I said I will consider, I rather buy than sell. But if you like to sell retracement, this is how you trade it. You put sell stop here, and if it breaks, you will be in the market and watch your take profit around here. Don't be greedy because the trend is still up. Okay, pounds US dollar. I don't know, the pounds dollar might surprise us because when your US dollar is moving strongly, the pounds is struggling to break this very high. And I remember I told you on my previous video that if the market does not close above this area, I will not buy. And you can see it kept rejecting it. This candle have also rejected it. So we might, I won't be surprised if market opens and they see price here, and I will be glad because it will give me a chance to join because I wanted to sell at least from here to here or from here to here. So I can see sell on pounds dollar, not to buy, because the buying there's no strength. The buyers have no strength to push the market up. So on 4 hours you can see there's no difference. I'm expecting, you can see this very candle, the market closed. The market could not close above this very resistance line. It keeps rejecting. So, and this very move this chart defies the logic of Elliott wave. I don't know how to label this because I can't call it leading diagonal because this is wave 2. I can say this is 1, then 2. In fact, this is a complex chart, but I can see this is a diagonal. This is the diagonal. So, and after diagonal, the market will move to the opposite direction. So that's the one thing. So whether it is in line with the Elliott wave theory or not, I'm expecting a break of this. So if you are a conservative trader, you wait for the break of this very low line and sell. Myself, I might enter the market when market opens on Monday. If I see a sell stop from here, I'll just enter sell from here and put my stop loss here. So that's for 4 hours. And 1 hour, there's no difference on 1 hour. No difference. Only that when market opens, I will do one or two things. If I see a flag here, I will put a sell setup. See, I will put a sell stop So after the flag, it will just come down, and I'll be in profit. Then I expect this trend line to be broken, either with one stroke, or it can jam, it can hit it, the trace, and then break it. I'm expecting a break of this trend line because the markets have proved that it has no strength to break this very high. So if in case you want to trade with me, when market opens and there is no gap, maybe we see a kind of adjustment, then say stop loss, and we expect a big sell. And if this line is broken, we have a massive sell because there is no strength to break all this high. Okay. Okay, USD. Okay, I've commented about it. The next one is pounds yen. Pounds yen is behaving like a pounds dollar. There's no strength to move. It seems that pounds is weak. It couldn't move the way euro is moving. You can see the market have been here for more than 1 week. So I mean, even 2 weeks, you can see how many days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 3 weeks, the market could not move. So what next? I'm expecting a drop like this from here, and a drop like this will break this trend line. So, and you can see on bigger time frame, maybe this is a weekly chart. I don't normally show weekly charts because there's no need for now. You can see W, X is somewhere here, and the Y. So if it continues to sell, we might have it come down as low as 122, 124, 126. So that's for pounds yen on daily. On 4 hours, the same scenario, no difference on 4 hours. There's no difference. I'm expecting a break of this trend line, then I will sell. I'll wait for the break of this trend line and I will sell. One thing is sure, the pounds have no strength like euro to be going up. Okay. 1 hour, nothing on 1 hour. The only difference on 1 hour is that this candle is strong enough to confirm a sell. But remember, it happened here. It's good to sell. It happened anyway. This is not. But if I get a flag from here, if I get a flag around here, I will sell, and my stop loss will be here. I may not wait for the break of this trend line, but the best thing is wait for the break of it. But if I see a candle, I may enter the first sell here. Then when it breaks again, I will sell. It will be a second. I will open another position. Okay, EURJPY. If you don't have been strong all this while, let me go to 4 hours first. Okay, this is 4 hours. Okay, this is daily. You don't have been very strong against other pains. So here you can see in my previous videos, I said that I will not buy until I see a break off here, and you see, and it's broken. Now this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 3 is ongoing, but this is a daily chart. So what I'm going to do is on 4 hours and on 1 hour, I will look for a decent retracement. Then I will join the buyers. I will buy euro yen. So let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, I'm expecting either a running flat or expanding flat. In the case of expanding flat, the price will come down around 126, 125.6, 125.7. I mean, this area is where I expect the correction to end in the case of expanding flat. But right now, it is a kind of, we may have a running flat, but it's most unlikely to be a running flat after all this move. So that is for 4 hours. Then on 1 hour, you see it clearer. 1 hour and 4 hours is the same thing. I'm expecting A, B, C. So the C wave, I'm contesting the C wave. On Monday, on Sunday night, when market opens, I will watch. If I see a good setup, I will enter sell and target. Though it's small anyway. In fact, it's not a good sell to sell here, stop loss here, target here. So I will not sell it. For those who like to sell pullback, there are people who are good in selling pullback. I'm not good in selling pullback. That's me. I'm not good in selling pullback. So if you're good in selling pullback, you may consider selling and taking profits around here. Okay, that is for Euro JPY, Euro Yen. Then let us go to gold. Gold is our next chart. On gold, it is obvious that gold have completed the correction. On my videos, I kept saying it that gold will come below 1800. It has accomplished. Now, I'm yet to buy gold. The reason is that you may think that the buying, that the selling is over, and it will continue to sell. It can do something like this and sell again. But right now, with this very candle, with these 3 candles, I'm sure we are back to bullish move. So what am I going to do? Let's go to 4 hours to see it in more detail. Okay, I'm expecting either a correction or a pullback around 1800, 1810, 1820. I mean, around this area. I'm expecting a correction or a pullback. If I get a pullback here, in a corrective move, then I will join the buyers. But if it drop like this, I will stay aside, because if it drops like this, I'm afraid we might have another low. But right now, if it comes down correctively, I will buy. Okay. Then on 1 hour on gold, nothing more, only that a sell stop. I will place a sell stop here because this move is corrective. Then on Monday, if it continues to be corrective, then I'll place a sell stop here, stop loss here, and take profit will be around here. So that is if I consider selling it. But to sell it is not advisable because the move might not be much. We might come to 1800, but not certain. So it's better to look for buy than sell because the trend have changed. It's not a good idea to trade against the trend. Always trade in line with the trend. But as I always say, there are people who are good. There are people who are good in trading pullback and correction. I'm not good at that. Now, there's something important here. For long, I've not shown any weekly chart, but you see, when the chart makes no sense, it's a more time frame. Then what will you do? You go to a bigger time frame. I started to go to visit my weekly chart on USD card, and you can see this has been for some months now. I haven't gone to it. The current structure is WXY flat correction. You can see that wave W and X have completed. Wave Y is already in progress and expected to terminate around 1.200 or below. So I have forgotten about this very chart until today, because the reason I got to go back to is that this is an impulse, and the correction is correcting in a kind of flat. This is WXY, smaller WXY. This is W, and this is wave X. And if you watch, this wave X and the beginning of W is almost at par. That's why it's called flat. So we're expecting a drop. This is a weekly chart. It will take a heck of long time to complete. But the point I'm making that USD card is bound to make more selling, because after this candle, okay, I will show you something on daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame on USD card, I expected this move will stop somewhere here and at least go up before continue going down, but it kept going down. That's why I go back to weekly candle. Now what do we have? This is wave 1, 2, 3, then ABC running flat, 4, then 5 is in progress, and we are gotten if 1 2 3 is in progress. So we are going, USD card is selling. This is a zoomed chart of same 4 hours, sorry, I mean of on 4 hours. You can see where we are going. This is with 1 2 3 4 5 is going, and 5 we are gotten with 1 2 3 is going down. 1 2, I mean we will come to 1.24, 1.25, then we have a pullback before we finally go to around 1.200 or 1.21. So USD card, since it has broken all these recent support, we are bound to go down further. Okay, what next? I think USD card, they are not to show on 1 hour, so I'm bringing it to a stop for now. But tomorrow or next, I will do more pairs. I will do AUD USD, US 500, Euro NZD, Euro. In fact, I will do some other pairs tomorrow or next. So that's all for tonight. Trade with care. God bless you. Bye bye.